Breaking news. That little famous YouTuber and just hit 1 million subs. Horsing has got into a deadly car crash. And like when Neon said in his video, he said like it happened a week ago. Getting 1 or 2 weeks. And it's kind of a bad way, like Neon said, it's kind of a bad way to start off your 2019 laying in a hospital bed. And I just wanted to discuss this topic because he is an important YouTuber to this YouTube community. And I send all my prayers out to him. He just hit 1 million subs. And if you guys can go and sub to him, that'd be good, and say JJ Channel 11 News sent you. And y'all go down in his comments, like, don't fill Neon with stress and Horsing with stress. Fill him with love, and that will make both of them feel better. And I'll make Horsing feel better about himself. Like, he has a whole community. He has 1 million people behind him. 1 million people behind one person. That's a lot. And I know Horsing is thankful for each and every one of you guys. I hope Horsing recovers from his car crash. Which Neon says he's not in that good a condition. And he said if they can allow Horsing out of the hospital, he'll take him on a shopping spree. So you guys tune into that on Neon's channel. It's JJ Channel 11 News signing out.